Hello, my name's Kirsten, and I don't know why I'm making this video, but I'm just going to tell you about my depression and my drug and alcohol addiction and my anxiety, my social anxiety, and an eating disorder that I am developing. I'm just going to tell you the reasons I do this stuff to myself. With depression along comes, well, not for everyone, but for me, along comes self-harm and suicidal attempts and thoughts. I could tell you many reasons I'm depressed, but I'm just gonna keep it short. I'm just gonna tell you like 4 reasons. An absent father. Name calling, just getting bullied in general. Death of a grandmother, and just not liking myself at all. Haven't liked myself since I could remember, honestly. I have social anxiety. It's bad. It's so bad to where I won't go in anywhere or like by myself, or I can't order my own food. I mean, sometimes I can, but I'll look down the whole time and I'll say it really low. It's bad to where like I can't go to a public bathroom by myself. I have to be with someone at all times. I can't get split up from anyone if I'm out with them and like they want to go to, like, say we went to the mall or something. I would have to go to the same exact stores as them, where I would get really anxious and irritable, and I'd have like a panic attack, and I don't know. I don't know. And then being anxious and all that led to me drinking and my drug addiction. I smoked weed for the first time when I was 11, and I secretly did it with my friend, a friend of mine. And then I did it with a different friend of mine, with 2 other friends of mine, and like the first time I smoked in a while, and then I kept doing it. And yeah, I mean that, and then me hating myself led to my eating disorder that I'm developing. Truth is, I absolutely hate every inch of my skin, of my body. And I just want to be thin. I want to be skinny. I already said it. That was the first time I said that out loud. I just want to be skinny. That's all. I don't want to be fat anymore. I don't want to get called fat. I don't want to be called ugly. Nothing tastes as good as skinny feels. I count my calories every day. I purge. I do everything in my power. I overexercise. I drink lots of water, and I'll drink Coke sometimes, but it can't be more than 3 drinks of it. And I just